This is a Baxter Scientific Products. I think it's a Yamato. Can't remember where I saw this. It's because it says Scientific Gold Series vacuum drying oven. You can see it's powered up right now. I was supposed to make this video before, but whatever. It is an Ultratech. And then, let's see if we get this DP-32. 115 volts, single phase. And then it's got this Baratron 220A, I think that's the pressure gauge. But this has got a 115 cord going into a standard outlet. And then this thing is also going into a standard outlet, actually going into a power strip. Question about whether it holds vacuum. This is very crude. This is like a, I can't figure out this fitting. This is a 1/4 inch plastic, which seemed to work, and this is just, you know, regular tubing. Got a little vacuum pump. Again, too small for this, but it actually works. So I will show you. Currently, it's 207 degrees. Not sure what this one says. This says retired, as this does, but this gauge seems to work. So let me kick on my vacuum pump, and I apologize if it gets loud. But so vacuum pump running, and this is the purge. Let me close that. And now I'm going to, oh, I was open, sorry. I had it closed before. But you can see this is climbing. This gets up around 40 when it's all said and done. I would suggest, I don't know because I can't find the specs on the vacuum pump requirements, but you know, this is 1/4 inch copper and this is 1/4 inch plastic, and it doesn't see, it seems to work. And again, this is a cheap little, you know, nothing pump. It's a sampling pump, so who knows? Okay. I was just going to let it get up to 40 again. But here, as I do this, I'll walk around here. Let you see the sides. Let you see the back. I guess I could have opened it before because it's interesting. When this thing's up at 40, you can't open the door. And obviously, it's sealed pretty good. And then I had kept it there for a minute after I shut the pump off, and I'll do that. And I'll show you that it still holds. I'm not sure what this 159.5 represents, because this says it's 212. That's the temperature. I'm not sure what this is. This is Celsius too, so is that also the temperature? Maybe that one's more exact than that one? Not sure. I guess I could have taken a, well, I guess I could. I was going to maybe put a temp gauge inside of it. I know it's hot, but I don't know what that means. So this is getting right around 40. I let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it didn't really get much above 40. It's fully open. See where that gauge is sitting, just above 40. Yeah, it's still going now. The temperature's going up too, 216 now. I think this thing's supposed to max out at 240 if I remember the specs right. Look at that. It's even higher. Like 40, what, 5-ish? 44. Okay. Now I'm going to turn off the vacuum pump. You can see, still holding. And then, I don't know whether this matters if I close this or open it. I can hear a little when I closed it. But you can see it's still at 40. Temperature's still going up. So that's really the unit. Only thing else I can show you is that here's the purge valve. And if I put it on here and I slowly open the purge valve, you can kind of hear it. But you can also see the gauge going down. Slow process. Temperature says 219. This says 163.4. Your guess who's right? Definitely a very slow process to let the pressure down on this, which is probably normal. Temperature's up 221, 164.5 on there. I mean, who knows? This could be on the top and this could be at the bottom, or when this thing hits 0, I'll open the door up. Can't open it until now. I should note that there's no shelves in here, and that I've heard 11.5 by 11.5 by 11.5, and then I heard 12 by 12 by 12. So if I could find a tape measure, I could maybe. Hold on a second, I'm going to set this down. Okay, found a tape measure. And this thing is just about 0. Maybe I can open it. Nope. Turned it off. What's it say? Nice. Yank the gasket off the door. Did not like that. Yeah, I mean, it's 12 by. Dang, this thing's hot. By 12. By 12. But that's the unit. Yikes. Gotta put the gasket back on the door, but it's hot. Not the smartest thing I've ever done, but whatever. If you got any questions, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, thank you.